Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Kinstone gaming tablet, 10.1 inches, battery power 6000 ampere, GB RAM, and 128 gigabyte storage. Purchasing this product from Amazon, product price is €105. Here, some different variant is also available if you purchase 128 GB RAM. So this product price is a €84. I already added this product link in video description. Information is showing here. The battery power is 6000 ampere, only Wi-Fi storage, 64 GB, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. Here different varieties also available, RAM and storage as well. As per your convenience, you should purchase which storage and RAM you want purchase. This is the really impressive packaging as well. Now I just simply cut the wrapper using scissor. Box quality is really premium. I just simply open the box and boom, here is our tab. Apart from tab, just simply open first of all the tab out of the box. It's really impressive tab. The screen is too much big. You can remove this one as well. They are providing screen protector in the box. Quality and finishing, it's really amazing. Brand name is showing here. AI camera. Let's see how many accessories we are receiving inside the box. As usual, cleaning stuff and magic booklet. Using this one, you can understand here the one of warranty card. You just simply scan this QR code. Here the cleaning, and this is the screen protector. They are providing extra inside the box, so we can just simply remove this one and put it the screen protector. Apart from that, inside the box we receive here the SIM remover or memory card remover. So look at this here, the SIM remover or memory card, but this is the Wi-Fi only, not SIM card. So we just simply add here one extra storage memory card. If you purchase cellular, so SIM card showing there in the bottom of this socket. You can charge using Type-C charging cable. For this box we receive here one adapter and charging cable, so 5-volt adapter, so USB and C like this. But if you use iPhone, MacBook, so you can use your own charger as well. So fast charging we are receiving. Now I just simply try to fix the screen protector, so I remove this plastic and just simply, this is the already clean, so no need to clean this one. Just simply put it here, our screen protector as we receive inside the box. Just simply remove this plastic as well. Don't touch screen and this screen as well. So make sure properly the camera is upside and measure properly, and just simply fix this one and stay away for a couple of seconds. So automatically all the bubbles and air is removed automatically, or you can use your hand and just simply remove the bubbles as well. So that's it, is done. This is our product. Now I just simply start here. Here is the power cable, power button. So the product is a start. Put it your password and look at this. Scroll up here, the Wi-Fi. I just simply connect on the Wi-Fi. Select here the Wi-Fi, enable the Wi-Fi. Here is my home Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is successfully connected. Now I just simply play here one of my video. So look at this, increase the volume. So volume is increase and decrease option is here. I'm purchasing this one from official. This is the full voice of this tab. Look at this here, background, AI camera, and the brand name. I'm purchasing this one €25. So now we will do unboxing and let's see how. So full screen. My iPhone. Let's check it out. So it's really impressive, the quality of the video frame we are receiving here. We are receiving the 4K quality of the video. If you're traveling, if you want to read some books, so this product is really impressive. We can just simply check here the camera clarity. Just simply press here and come to the directly on the back. Here is the camera. Look at this here. Let's just simply change here. So camera clarity quite impressive. If you use team or video call, so that one is a sufficient for the calling perspective as well. For this price, it's really impressive quality as well as product. Complicated, you can install the application and playing the game as well. So this is the unboxing and setup of Kinstone tablet. You want to watch some web series or movies, this is the perfect device. If you have any question related on the Kinstone brand, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.